Hey you all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a nail series, what's on my nails. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and you can also follow my press on nail page and my regular nail page. I'll tag that below. So let's get into it. These are it, bitch. These is it. These is it. Okay, I'm being extra. Let's go. You know I always do the simple hand first, so at the end y'all gonna love that hand. This is the first hand. So let's see. It's pretty focused for the most part. Okay, so I have, first of all acrylic color. I only do all acrylic color. So we have the purple, dark purple with the light glitter purple. And we have the long bling. So you have all different shapes of the bling or whatever. Girl, look at how they radiating. Yes, ma'am. And then you got the drips. Those are the 3D drips. They're made out of acrylic also, as you see on this hand. So it's like, this is like, okay, so I can't do my right hand, but I can do like little designs. But what y'all see on the left hand, I can't execute. So I'm like, I want to carry out the same theme. So these are the colors. And then this hand. So I did a Scooby Doo themed nails. And this is kind of like, I just want to challenge myself at doing more characters. Let's see. There we go. It's more focused now. I want to challenge myself at doing characters. So this is what I did. So let's talk about it. So like I said, these are the color schemes. And I just carried over the colors. So for my thumb, I used this purple to correlate. And you see the designs are very similar to each other, but it has a variation. And then carried out the slime look with the purple to go with these nails. And then it gets to this. So I know Scooby Doo has like the lime green logo. So I was like, let me put lime green and then do like a turquoise, because his collar is like turquoise. And I always see like the flowers on the van. So this is hand painted Scooby Doo. Let's see. Y'all probably can't see it because the camera's flipped, but I'll show y'all the picture at the end. But this is the hand-painted Scooby-Doo, where I basically used orange and then went back over top with like a purple outline to write it. This is all hand-painted. And I'll either follow, like, go on my Instagram, or I might insert clips of like the process of me painting him or whatever. But yeah, so this is a Scooby-Doo that's hand-painted or whatever. This took a little minute. I want to say, I don't know, probably like an hour, but I don't really be sitting and thinking about time. I just turn on music and just like kind of enjoy myself while doing my nails. And then I wanted to add like the flowers, because on the vans, they always have like the flower or something, a mystery van. So I was like, let me add flowers and add like a little bling to it. So this is a final set. I hope you like them. These came out so amazing. I'm going to add, like I said, I'm going to add photos at the end so y'all can see. Sorry, let me get it together. I'm going to add photos at the end though, so y'all can kind of see how it came out. So I hope y'all love these as much as I do. Thank you for watching.